Good morning, guys. So today is a new day, and we started at Sanur. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. And we came back from Lembongan, and we started our adventure in Bali. But actually, we have a issue because Mark forgot his phone at our villa. So we just texted the villa owner. They're gonna send it back, so we need to wait it for some time at Sanur, and then we go to Ubud. So today we're gonna stay at Ubud, and we plan to visit rice terrace, everything. So now we're gonna have breakfast. Bye bye. So guys, this is our car. We'll show you later. $18 per day. Guys,
we are in Ubud
and everything seemed to be fine, but now
we have another adventure.
Exactly,
the electricity cable from Jakarta, basically from Java, to Bali is broken, and they're fixing it. It's gonna take another 5 hours, and here's no electricity. Everything's super dark.
Yes, we just arrived at one restaurant. We are super hungry because we didn't eat anything since morning, but no way. Show you the street. There's no electricity, all shops, restaurant. This is our restaurant, Soul Kitchen, and complete darkness. Our car is over there.
Sunbathing, and I'm gonna go together with you to check where she is. We're exiting our villa, and let's see first from the other side, from the top. So will she recognize that we are here or not? Let's check. She should be here. I see some other people, but no, there is she. There is our Jane, sunbathing with her hat on and having the best time of her life.
So guys, here how we park at Ubud. This is our car. I fixed it on camera. Mark is waiting for me because I forgot my camera. So we are in Ubud, heading to breakfast place. Mark, I just fixed video recording of our car parking. So this is how Ubud looks like every day.
Peaceful and calmful.
No, it is really peaceful at retreat, hotel. I enjoy it. And here, so many nice restaurants and culture, of course, on each corner like this. Breakfast place is the same like it was yesterday. Sala cafe bistro, something like this. It's a chain, at least 2 different locations. We ordered first cappuccino. So delicious. We just move our plates because we decided to share, to try more dishes. Everything is very delicious.
Especially broccoli, like perfectly 10 out of 10.
So guys, we just finished our breakfast. That was amazing. It was not a breakfast but lunch actually. And now we are ready for a 4-hour trip. We are heading Main Street. Heading to Circle K to buy some water. Hi!
Now we just stopped in the middle of Ubud, some rural roads, and looking at the untouched terraces. They're right here. Hope you liked our drone footages.
Guys, it's amazing. The nature, it's unbelievable. I like it so much. I like palms. I like rice terrace. Drone footage, amazing. We like it. But before it was raining. That's why we didn't make a lot of videos. But Bali likes us and we love Bali.
Cheers, guys. Till we see each other again. Hi guys, today we brought you to Melasti Beach, Uluwatu. It's one of the better beaches to stay and just relax, have a nice drink, go to the beach bar or just lie in the sand. and enjoy the fabulous views of this coast. Price-wise, you need to pay around 15,000 per person plus around 10k for the car. So we came with our own car, rented one. 30k is an entrance fee just for the whole day. Just sit, relax, take a coconut, take a beer, take a prosecco, whatever you want, and just enjoy the magnificent views. Turquoise color of water, relatively easy to swim, not much waves. Makes this beach perfect for families, kids, anyone. If you really want just to stroll around, to look at the nice views and go have a swim.
So guys, here is the parking. So it's very convenient. You pay just for the entrance and that's it. Wow, this is one of the best beaches in Bali, and Uluwatu beaches are among the best. You can see the color of water is amazing, everything is amazing, and now we're gonna fly the drone. So guys, now we are heading to Dreamland Beach. Here you also need to pay for parking for the car, 20,000 rupiah. So here is the way to Dream Beach. Not far away from the parking, right, Mark?
Yeah,
and
maybe just a 1 minute walk.
So on our way there's some local shops. Guys, Dreamland Beach. So guys, today it's our third beach. So guys, maybe this is the best surfing spot. Mahi fish with mashed potato and some kind of a pumpkin sauce, and on top there's Indonesian spicy sambal. So let's try. Let's give it a try. But first I'm gonna sprinkle the fish with a slice of lime. So now I'm super hungry, but we just have a quick bite here. Thank you. Wow. Let's try. Just fish. Mashed potato just okay, but fish in Indonesian style. Hello guys, so now we are at Pantai Pandawa Beach. This is a very popular spot in Uluwatu, but I think, Mark, what do you think about this beach?
It's
Big
so,
waves?
The Melasti much better.
Much better, and they're
So-
close to each other, really
Yes.
close to each other, and you also have to pay for entrance, just small money for two-person and car. We paid
30,000.
30,000. So let's check out, fly our drone and see how the beach looks like from the air.
Cheers. So guys, hope you enjoyed a little drone footage, and now we're going to have our lunch to another beach.
And guys, this beach is very, very touristic. When we just came here, at the same time there were like around maybe 5 huge tourist buses, and all these people, they are now heading to the beach. Here is Pantai Pandawa. Guys, this beach is much better than Pantai Pandawa. Not too many people, but it seems like it's dangerous to swim here. So today is our last day in Bali. Tomorrow morning I'm flying to Hong Kong, and Mark flying tonight to Singapore. Now we are having our lunch, amazing lunch, maki-maki,
Watching on the surface in front of us.
just at the beachfront cafe. And today we have a big plans. We're gonna go again to a village, to traditional Balinese village, and give it a try second time, because first time it was raining. And beaches, we've already show you everything.
What,
Right.
in our opinion, are top,
Worth
yeah,
going, worth.
South Bali.
Uluwatu is great, but we need to go further. So stay with us. Later we see each other at Balinese traditional. Guys, seems like Bali is very, very sad that we are leaving. Crying, flooding. Oh my god. We cannot see anything. And no tourist village, second time.
Ridiculous.